Hello friends, look what I have got from NFI Essential, a set of two-piece makeup box, cosmetic box, jewelry box, Trousseau box, vanity box organizer, makeup kit for girls. Allow you to wear your favorite pieces, cosmetics, makeups at any time. Made up of material like blend of canvas and PU, light in weight, waterproof, durable, floral printed makeup case, extra large cosmetic bag, elegant and stylish, double layer design, cheap closure, built-in 4 elastic straps for brush organization. Perfect way to transport, store, protect your treasured makeup and cosmetic collection. Organize your daily cosmetic, skincare products, makeup products, brushes, eyeshadows, ideal for travel, holiday, business trips, and convenient to carry with you at any time.